Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we will study an alien handbook, chapter 10, and name of the chapter is also an alien hand. Dear student, this is the chapter about a Viking mission to Mars. First of all, we read before you read. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration's NASA Viking mission to Mars was composed in the two spacecraft. Here, the full form of NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that start a mission named Viking mission to Mars, and in that mission there was two spacecrafts are there. First named Viking 1 and second Viking 2. Each consists of an orbiter and a lander, and each spacecraft have orbiter and lander. Dear student, you know about orbiter. Orbiter is the spacecraft that rotate about the satellite or planet. And lander is also a type of spacecraft that send images and information about a planet or satellite. The primary objective were to obtain images and sample of Martian space and soil and search for any possible sign of life. And the first objective of that spacecraft was to search soil and possibility of life on the Mars. Viking first was launched on 20 August 1975 and arrived at Mars on 19 June 1976. And Viking 1 was launched on 20 August 1975 and arrived on the Mars on 19 June 1976. Viking 2 was launched on 9 September 1975 and entered Mars orbit on 7 August 1976. And the another mission, Viking 2, was launched on 9 September 1975 and entered on the Mars on 7 August 1976. Besides taking photographs and collecting other science data on the Martian surface, the two landers conducted the biology experiment to took possible sign of life. And beside the spacecraft sending the images of that surface, and they also conduct some biological experiment to show the possible sign of life on the Mars. As of now, there is no clear evidence of presence of living microorganism in the soil near the landing site. But there is the certain experiments on that places, and it is no clear evidence that there is the microorganism that found on the soil of the landing site. और जैसे ही बायोलॉजिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट हुए तो यह पता चला कि उस सॉइल में किसी भी तरह के माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म थे ही नहीं. नाउ स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. टिलूज, हाउ ऑफन हैव यू बीन टोल्ड नॉट टू गो दैट वे? एंड इन दिस देयर इज द कन्वर्सेशन between a child named Tilu and his mother. And in that conversation, the mother told to the Tilu that, Tilu, how often I have told you to not go that way? But why does daddy go every day? And at the same time, the boy named Tilu answered to his mother that, but why daddy went there every day? Because that's his job, Tilu. And at the same time, mother replied that is his job, Tilu. Then mother जो है रिप्लाई करती हैं क्योंकि उनका वही काम है, इसीलिए वे रोज़ उस रास्ते से जाते हैं. That way was underground passage, and that is the way that was underground passage. Tilu's father went every day for work along that passage, and Tilu's father used to went on that way every day because he worked on that place, and every day he came back from that direction. And after work, Tilu's father went back from the same direction. That what lay at the end of that forbidden route. That the Tilu wanted to know that what lay at the end of that forbidden route. Not only Tilu, but great majority of community would have liked to know. And this is not the question of Tilu only, it is the question of great majority of the people that live there. Tilu's father was one of the select few permitted to go that way, and Tilu's father was the one of the person who have permitted to went on that way. The above conversation invariably took place between Tilu and his mother when he insisted on the following his father, and above conversation is between Tilu and his mother, and Tilu wanted to know that his father went there. Then what type of work his father do? Today, however, was different. Tilu's father was enjoying a siesta at home, and Tilu managed to get hold of his security card. And there was a chance when Tilu's got when his father enjoying a siesta at home. At the same time, Tilu managed to get the security card. Then, evading his watchful mother's eyes, Tilu's made his way to forbidden passage. Then the Tilu evading means hidingly the Tilu went to that forbidden passage. और इस तरह किसी तरह टिलू जो है अपने फादर का सिक्योरिटी कार्ड को हासिल कर लिया और अपनी माँ की नज़रों से बचते हुए उस रास्ते की तरफ जाने लगा. When a metal door barred his entry, and when Tilu went there on that passage, there was a metal door who forbidden his entry. और जैसे ही टिलू वहाँ पे गया, एक मेटल का डोर था जो उसकी एंट्री को रोक रहा था. बट टिलू had watched his father slip and magic cord into the slot. At the same time, Tilu watched to his father to how he managed to magic cord into a slot. At this thing, the Tilu watched it before. He did the same. The door opened noiselessly, and after that, Tilu entered that magic card to a slot. Therefore, the door opened with the noiselessly manner, means silently manner. उसके बाद से जैसे ही टिलू जो है उसको मैजिक कार्ड को उसमें स्लॉट में डालता है, वो जो दरवाज़ा है बिना किसी आवाज़ के खुल जाता है. A well-lit passage seemed to be beckoning him, and there was a well-lighted passage that was there. Snatching the card which had came out of the another slot on the wall, and the card was appear on the next side of the wall. Then Tilu take that security card. Tilu started his march along a gentle upward slope, for the passage led from the underground habitat to the surface of the planet. And at the same time, the Tilu went there on a slope surface, and therefore he went in a habitat to the surface of a planet. Tilu looked forward, seeing the sun if it was day, and the Tilu wanted to look the sun, and he didn't know about whether it is daytime or night, and or the stars if it was night. And Tilu wanted to know that if it is the daytime and it is night, therefore the stars may be seen, about which he had heard and read so much about. Tilu have also heard about much things and also read in the books. But alas, that wasn't to be. But at this place there was no any stars and not any sun looked before the Tilu. Tilu had underestimated the security arrangement, and at the same time the Tilu was not know much that the security arrangement look like that. Invisible mechanical devices have already detected and photographed the small intruder, sent his picture to the central bureau where it was thoroughly checked, and there was a device, mechanical device, that detected the photograph, and after that that device also sent the picture to central bureau where the picture was thoroughly checked, and before he had advanced 10 paces a strong hand felt heavily on his shoulder, and after that the Tilu felt that a small hand that was on his shoulder. Gently but firmly it was escorted. Escorted means taken. And that hand was firmly escorted his shoulder. Security staff back home to anxious and angry mother. And after that, the when Tilu went that place, his mother became very anxious and angry also. और जैसे ही टीलू जो है वहाँ पे गया था, उसकी माँ उससे बहुत नाराज़ थी और बहुत चिंतित भी थी. While he being scolded, he received help from unexpected quarter, and at the same time, Tilu's mother scolded much to went on that place. Let me explain to him, darling, said his father, who had just got up. At the same time, when Tilu's father heard about scolding by his mother, then he said, let me to explain him. और जैसे ही उसकी माँ उसको डांट रही थी, उसके फादर जो है तुरंत उठे और बोले कि उसे मुझे समझाने दो. If he is probably brave, he will not do such a thing again. And Tilu's father said that if he knew about that thing, then he didn't went there again. He started to explain, and at the same time, Tilu's father started to explain Tilu. Listen, Tilu, I work on the surface when an ordinary person cannot survive, because the air is so too thin to breathe, and where the temperature is so low that you would freeze to death. And Tilu's father explained Tilu by saying that, listen, Tilu, I work on that surface where ordinary person cannot survive, because there is too much thin of oxygen to breathe, and there were the temperature is also very low, and temperature is so low that anyone went there and that is freeze his body and he will die. But daddy, how do you manage to survive? At the same time, Tilu asked to his father that, but daddy, how you survive on that surface? Because I go well equipped in a special suit with the reservoir of oxygen. And at the same time, Tilu's father said that I went there with the well equipment method, and there were the reservoir of oxygen was also there. I can keep warm, and my boots are specially designed to make it easy for me to walk on that surface. And I can keep warm, and I my boots are the specially designed to make it easy for the walk on that surface. What's more, I have been trained to survive and work on the surface. And Tilu's father also said that he have make a training to survive and work on that surface. There was a time when our forefather lived on the surface quite naturally. And Tilu's father also asked to Tilu that our forefather have also lived on the surface in a quite natural way. Indeed, they did so for millions of years. And that things was happening a million of years ago. But time changed. But at this time, the time has changed. The very sun which had provided us the sustenance turned hostile. It changed only slightly, but the change was sufficient to upset the balance of nature on this planet. And there was something changed on that planet. Therefore, the balance of nature have disturbed on this planet. But the birds first, the bird become extinct, the animal followed. And Tilu's father also explained to Tilu that look, some birds are going to extinct. मतलब extinct का मतलब विलुप्त, मतलब कुछ ऐसी चिड़ियाएँ हैं जो बिल्कुल विलुप्त हो गई हैं. द एनिमल्स फॉलोड, और उसके पीछे पीछे एनिमल्स भी विलुप्त होते जा रहे हैं. द फिश couldn't bear it anymore either, and the fish couldn't bear on that place. We managed to survive only because our superior technology. And Tilu's father also said that we managed because we have the superior technologies are there. But we were forced to live underground under the artificial condition. And Tilu's father said that we are forced, मतलब forced का मतलब बाध्य होना, कि हम लोग जो है इस अंडर आर्टिफिशियल कंडीशन में रहने के लिए बिल्कुल फोर्सेस हैं, मतलब हम लोग को बाध्य होकर के इस आर्टिफिशियल कंडीशन में रहना पड़ता है. Thanks to solar energy, we can generate sufficient power to make our life comfortable. And Tilu's father also said that thanks to the solar energy, who can generate a sufficient power to live on this planet with a very comfortable manner. But machines which make this possible must always in the good working condition. And there were the machines that have also a good condition in the working. Some of them are on the surface. I belong to team whose responsibility it is to keep watch on them and to service them. And Tilu's father also told to Tilu that we have some responsibility to keep watch on the surface of the Mars. Daddy, can I join the team when I grew up? And at the same time, Tilus asked to his father that, Daddy, I can also make, I can also join in that team when I grew up. तब टीलू पूछता है कि डैडी, क्या मैं बड़ा होकर के मैं उस टीम को ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ? ऑफ कोर्स, इफ़ यू वांट टू, सेड हिज फादर. एंड एट द सेम टाइम हिज फादर सेड, इफ़ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन देन यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट टीम. But for that, you must be a good boy and do as your parents tell you. And for doing this, you must be a good boy and do as your parents tell you. और इसके लिए तुमको एक अच्छा बालक बनना पड़ेगा और जो तुम्हारे फादर, जो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कहें उसको मानना पड़ेगा. His mother had as usual the last word. And his mother had said the same words that have seen in the last time. Dear student, I have completed this part, and the next video I gave you the next part explanation. I hope you understand well, and when you have any doubt, then message me or call me. Thanks for watching the video.